My name's Elaine. If it's your first time here watching me, thank you for coming on. Thank you for my customers, my followers, my subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me. Hi everybody, lovely to see you. I know I haven't been consistent, but you know, I'm camera shy, so I just want to show you what I purchased today, and also stick around for me updating you on the latest stuff with Stampin' Up. So I'm going to turn that celebration is gonna be ending tomorrow, so it's try and get some good free bargains. A minimum spend of £45, and as you can see from the book, you can get all sorts of paper, stamp sets, yeah, some free goodies. As I said, minimum spend of £45. I'd love you to shop with me. Some of this stuff I have, so I'll show you what I've got for my latest collection from free stuff. So that ends tomorrow. So what did I get? Before I do that, I've got to tell you about the online exclusives. So then we got the stamp set. It's called Latte Love, and that's the photopolymer, so it's easy to stamp with that. And then I've got the dies to go to the Latte Love, so I can't wait to make quite a lot of cards with them, or scrapbooking as one would say. I suppose you want to have a look at the dies. Let's have a look at the dies for that. Also, you can see the things like a spoon, a cafetiere, or different coffee things, different mugs. And I believe that the actual dies cut out some of these from the designer series paper. Look, so it's perfect. If you are worried about that, that will cut it out. So I can't wait to use that. So what's next? What else did I get? I got this paper. It's part of another set, the Fiorentini, which, wow, as I said, let's get in the pack and see this paper, this beautiful paper. It's quite bright. Whew, the colour looks better in real life. Look at that, it's beautiful. So you can actually cut that in four, depending on what you want. And that's the back. And then that. Oh, this is very nice. Very, very nice. As I said, you can get some that gifted on the 5th of March. For you customers out there, the link will be below. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Even the back looks gorgeous. Yeah, thinking of what projects I can make with that. And then we got that. So really, really good. And with that, it comes with dies also. So it can cut out various things with that, with the dies. Did I get anything else with that? No, I didn't get anything more with that. So you can get that on the online exclusive as from the 5th of March. This is not in your current catalogue. I got an embossing folder for that same collection of flowers. So I will be using that. Embossing gives great texture. What else? And then the flowers itself. So that's sort of a collection, the paper, the dies, and the stamp set, which is a rubber stamp. What else? Now I got also the encircled nature. So what I like about that is the sentiment and the actual circle. I got some dies to go with that. For give myself a chance. So here it comes with some beautiful dies. So you get quite a variety in dies on that one. So that came together. And now I can show you my free stuff, what I got. So I got my free stuff from the celebration catalogue, because I said, oh no, I forgot to show you the ribbon that comes with the chocolate thing. take a check of that. That looks nice. That comes with the latte chocolate set, so that's complete. And the zingy, I call it, I hope I'm getting it right. Yeah, it's called the Flowering Zinies. I think that's what the collection comes with, some of these as well. So from my free stuff, I got a pack of paper, which I probably will share, but I won't go through this because this has got 48 sheets in it, and it's called the Delightfully. You're probably saying, open it, we want to see what you get for 48 sheets. A lot of paper. I might share this out. So this one's got swans, so you probably get about 4 of each. Yes, which I'm right, 4 of each. That's what the back looks like. Oh, it's quite interesting, as you're making me go through this, and that's what the back looks like. So yes, you get about 4 of each. Ooh, this looks nice. I believe there is a die set that goes with this. I'm not sure, I'd have to look that up. Ooh, that's really nice. You're a scrapbooker, this is really awesome, even for the letters. Really interesting. Online paper. It's beautiful. Hear what you think of what I've purchased. Oh, please leave a comment and share with your friends and your family, or anybody that's interested in crafting. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful pack, and that's on the back. So that's one of my free items. So as I said, when you spend minimum £45, you can get some lovely free product. This is another thing that I received. It's called Cradle Love. For those who may have a newborn and you want to create or a christening or something like that, you can make some beautiful cards with that. And it comes with, I believe, some dies. So let's get into it. This is the smallest die set I've ever seen, actually. It's so cute. The packaging is so cute. So yeah, this is the smallest I've ever seen. Oh, happy little thing. So it's the actual labels fit the welcoming thing. I believe that's what it would fit. Let's try it out. Yeah. So yes, it would fit. So you can, your bundle of joy. Oh, so that's good if you want to make labels. And I think I purchased this because I hadn't got it. Celebrate wishing. This is a good set. A speedy recovery for those who are not well, those who are celebrating their birthday. And I wanted comforting thoughts if you've got people that are not well, sick, that need some kind words, that you know that you're thinking of them. So this has got really some great sentiments on that. Oh, and I purchased I've got some more dots. So those were my purchases. I did say hang around, so I did say hang around because I thought I've got a few things I need to tell you. So as I said, tomorrow is the end of celebration. Get your last minute purchases in. That'd be great. I hope you liked what I've shown you, because it says that you'll be able to purchase them on the 5th of March 2024 if you're watching this. So, and with the online exclusives now, you know that those items are not in the main catalogue, only if you're a person who likes to do online shopping and don't want the physical book. There are some good kit and things. Oh, and I did get something else. Bear with me a second. I got some kits. I nearly forgot about that. Let's turn the camera down again. I bought, the first one is called Love This Memory Notebook Kit. So in this kit, you get the stamps, you get a block, you also get everything you need to create the cards for this notebook. So all the instructions in there, and we got here a parquet party ink. So yes, I can't wait to show you how I put this together. It's everything you need in there, and that's called Loving Memory. Yeah, it's called Love This Memory Notebook Kit. So I can't wait to put that together. And the next kit is called Robot Buddies. So if you're a beginner card maker and you're not sure about how to make cards, or you want something quick, these are kind of the best way to put a card together. Ooh, wonderful. So you get your stamps. Well, this is for birthdays, so if you've got a few birthdays, and you get pumpkin pie, Bermuda Bay, you've got your little block, and these look like eyes. They don't move around, unfortunately, but all the instructions to make Buddies card kits. So all the instructions step by step to make these 3 cards, 3 of each. So that's all I purchased. So I can't wait to make those stuff. So yes, that's all I've purchased today. Sorry about that one. I nearly forgot that I purchased them. So yeah, and I look forward to making them and showing you how to put this simple kits together, especially if you're a beginner stamper and you're not sure that what you want to do in card making, but these are really good for parties and everything like that. So thank you for watching. I said everything you need will be a link to my shop, so that you can go online and purchase these items. If not, you can visit my blog or sign up for my newsletter, where I do keep you updated with everything Stampin' Up and my life, really. You know, I'm sure I don't just talk about Stampin' Up. I talk about what I've been up to in my craft room. But if you really want me to show you around my craft room, or my craft corner rather, then I'm happy to do that. So yeah, I think I'll put in a poll and see what everyone thinks. But bye for now. Thank you for joining me. Please share, please sign up, please subscribe, please follow. I would appreciate it. Bye for now. Online exclusives, they start on the 5th of March for the customers. And of course, when you're a demonstrator, you can